stuck in this room until I guess the code to this lock. There's 10,000 possible combinations.
Hey, that's it! Try my 100,000 lock combinations instead.
Oi, I'll give you $1,000 if you can escape from a locked room by guessing the combination.
$1,000? I'm in.
Right in here.
What is it, like a 3-number lock or a dial lock?
Yo, it's gonna take you a long time.
It's gonna take us a long time, idiot. You're stuck in here too. 1, 1, 1.
Oh, please. Oh. Yes, this is it. Oh my god. I had the emergency key all along. Oh, there's someone sleeping in there. Wouldn't want to wake them.